DIY wooden bridge build project. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conleys Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. Most homeowners have at least one area in their yard that they simply learn to live with. Maybe it's a muddy drainage ditch, an awkward low spot, or a section of the landscape that never seems to look quite right. For years, this area of my backyard was exactly that, a problem I worked around instead of fixing. But what if I told you that one overlooked section of your property could become one of its most impressive features? In this project, I'm going to show you how I transformed a simple drainage crossing into a beautiful wooden bridge that completely changed the look and feel of my backyard. The transformation was dramatic, the process was rewarding, and the result is something I'm proud to share with family and friends every time they visit. This wooden bridge project started with a practical need. A drainage area running through my yard created an obstacle. It interrupted both the appearance and functionality of the landscape. Rather than covering it up or ignoring it, I saw an opportunity. After years of DIY home improvement projects, I've learned that some of the best projects come from solving everyday problems. What began as a simple idea soon became one of my favorite outdoor builds. With some careful planning, quality materials, and a little patience, this project transformed an ordinary section of the yard into a focal point that adds character, charm, and value to the entire property. Every successful DIY project begins long before the first board is cut. The planning phase is where mistakes are avoided. It is where materials are calculated and the vision starts to come together. For this bridge, I carefully measured the span, determined the desired width, and designed the gentle arch that would give the bridge its classic appearance. The curve wasn't just for looks, it would also help create a stronger and more visually appealing structure. This stage required patience and attention to detail. I followed the same rule that has guided me: measure twice, cut once. A few extra minutes spent planning can save hours of frustration later, and that's exactly why this step is so important. With the design finalized, it was time to turn the drawings into reality. Cutting the curved supports was one of the most important parts because these pieces determine appearance and integrity. Using carefully marked templates and precise cuts, I slowly shaped each support to match the design. This wasn't a step to rush through. Every cut mattered, and accuracy was critical. As the curved pieces began taking shape, I could finally see the vision becoming real. This is often the moment in a project when excitement starts to replace planning and anticipation turns into progress. Once the supports were complete, I began assembling the foundation of the bridge. This phase focused on creating a strong and stable structure that would withstand years of use. Before fastening anything permanently, I clamped the pieces together and checked every measurement, angle, and alignment point. Building a solid base is often the difference between a project that lasts for decades and one that develops problems. Taking the time to ensure everything was square and level gave me confidence that the bridge would remain strong for years to come. This is where the bridge really started to come alive. As each deck board was installed, it transformed from a framework. Careful spacing between boards was important not only for appearance, but also for drainage and long-term durability. I worked methodically, securing each board while maintaining consistent spacing throughout the project. With every new board added, the bridge became more functional and more visually impressive. This stage is satisfying because you can finally walk across something that started as nothing more than an idea on paper. The railings and finishing details are what truly give a bridge its personality. At this stage, it was already functional. But the addition of railings transformed it into a standout feature. I focused on clean lines and solid connections, provide both safety and style. These finishing touches may seem small, but they often have the greatest impact on appearance. Attention to detail is what separates an average DIY project from one that looks professionally built. And this phase gave the bridge the polished look I was aiming for from the beginning. What started as a muddy drainage crossing had become one of the most attractive features in the backyard. Seeing the finished bridge in place was incredibly rewarding because it represented more than just another completed project. It represented planning, effort, craftsmanship, and the satisfaction that comes from building something with your own hands. The bridge not only solved a practical problem, but also enhanced the entire landscape. Standing back and looking at the finished result reminded me why I enjoy DIY projects so much, transforming an overlooked space. I hope this project inspires you to look at your own home and see opportunities where others see obstacles. DIY projects don't have to be complicated or expensive to make a big impact. With careful planning, you can create features that add value. If you enjoyed following along, be sure to subscribe to Conley's Home Improvement for more DIY projects, tips, and tutorials. And remember, every project you complete isn't just improving your home. It's building confidence and creating a legacy. Measure twice, cut once, work safely, and keep building. Want to build one of these for your own backyard? I've included a link in the description below to the exact bridge plans I used for this project. Click the link to get the plans, follow along step by step, and start building your own beautiful backyard bridge today. Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. DIY wooden bridge build project. Follow at Conleys Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following.